Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here again. Or if you are new, hi, my name is Shalu and I love sharing honest reviews and experiences with Korean skincare that actually works. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about some of my absolute favorite products that have truly made a difference in my skin. From glow boosting essences to barrier strengthening serums and the perfect daily sunscreen. These are all formulas I have tested, loved, and would genuinely repurchase again. So grab your coffee and let's dive right in. You know that feeling when you finish a product and instantly want to repurchase it. That's when you know it's really good. After trying so many Korean products, these are the ones I will 100% buy again. Not just because they worked, but because my skin actually missed them when I stopped using them. One product I will definitely repurchase is the Soul 1988 Snail Mucin 97% plus rice essence. It's like a refined version of the famous Cosrx Snail 96 Mucin essence. While Cosrx focuses mainly on hydration and repairing the skin barrier, this one adds something extra. The Soul 1988 essence combines 97% snail mucin with rice ferment extract, so it not only repairs but also brightens and smooths out the skin's texture. The texture itself is lighter and absorbs much faster than Cosrx, leaving no stickiness, perfect for my combination sensitive skin and for humid weather. Every time I use it, my skin feels plump, calm, and radiant, and whenever I stop, I instantly notice that dullness and uneven texture creeping back. That's how I know it really works. It's one of those rare essences that deliver both repair and glow in one step, and that's exactly why it's earned a permanent spot on my repurchase list. Another product I will absolutely repurchase is the Celimex Dual Barrier Creamy Toner. It's one of those products that instantly comforts my skin right after cleansing. It just makes my skin feel instantly comfortable and hydrated. It's formulated with 5 different types of ceramides and hyaluronic acid, which deeply moisturize and keep my skin feeling plump and supple throughout the day. Now, what makes it stand out is Aquatide, a patented peptide complex that actually helps boost ceramide production and strengthens the skin barrier. Perfect for protecting against dryness and irritation. It also has panthenol and allantoin, which calm redness and soothe sensitivity, making it ideal for my combination easily stressed skin. Over time, it helped improve my skin's texture, making it smoother and more resilient. I love that it's rich and creamy yet lightweight and non-greasy, so it layers beautifully under serums, moisturizers. Whenever my skin feels dehydrated or tired, this toner brings it right back to life. That's why it's the one I will definitely keep buying. The Anua azelaic acid 10% serum is one of those products that hits the perfect balance between effectiveness and gentleness. While prescription strength azelaic acid usually contains 15 to 20% of azelaic acid and can be very effective for persistent acne or rosacea, it often combines with a higher risk of irritation, dryness, or tingling, especially for sensitive or combination skin like mine. Now, this serum, on the other hand, uses lower 10% concentration but combines it with panthenol and ceramides, which soothe irritation and strengthen the skin barrier. That means I can get visible results, calmer redness, smoother texture, and reduced breakouts without stressing my skin or causing discomfort. It layers beautifully under other steps in my Korean skincare routine. It never pills or feels heavy and keeps my skin stable even in humid weather. I love that it's gentle yet effective. Whenever I stop using it, I notice my skin feels more sensitive, red, or congested. It's this combination of comfort, tolerance, and consistent results that makes it a definite repurchase for me. One product that I can't stop reaching for is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Tone Brightening Capsule Ampule. What makes it so unique are the tiny made white microbeads that instantly melt into the skin, leaving a natural glossy glow. The formula is packed with 4% niacinamide, 2% tranexamic acid, and Centella asiatica extract, which work together to brighten your dark spots, fade hyperpigmentation, calm redness, and improve overall skin tone and texture. Niacinamide not only regulates oil production to prevent enlarged pores, but also strengthens the skin barrier, keeping moisture locked in and protecting against environmental stressors. It also has tranexamic acid that targets stubborn pigmentation, while made white, derived from medicassoside, helps reduce melanin production and inflammatory pigmentation. The centella extract soothes and hydrates deeply, making this ampule gentle enough for daily use. I love how it feels mid-weight yet absorbs quickly without any stickiness, leaving my skin soft, radiant, and perfectly prepped for the next step in my routine. It's vegan, cruelty free, and one of those products that delivers visible results while feeling like a little indulgence every time I use it. Definitely a repurchase for me. The VTPDR and 100 Essence is a game changer in my routine. It's infused with super high concentration, about 100,000 ppm or 10% PDRN, extracted from vegan ginseng. It delivers the nutrients of ginseng straight into the skin, boosting elasticity and leaving a natural, healthy glow. The Cerazome Complex Plus helps build a radiant moisture barrier, while polyglucuronic acid gives that post spa soft luminous effect. What really stands out is how gentle it is. No irritating fragrance, no heaviness, just smooth, silky hydration that absorbs instantly. In my experience, after using it regularly, my skin feels revitalized, plump, and visibly healthier. Even on my combination sensitive skin, it layers perfectly under serums and moisturizers, and I notice a subtle glow that lasts all day. The luxurious texture combined with high concentration of PDRN makes it feel like a mini treatment every time I use it, which is why it's a product I will always repurchase. When it comes to retinol serums, the Celimex Retinol A Short Tightening Booster is quite popular and effective. I personally love this one too. The Celimex Retinol Short Tightening Booster is a small tube packed with advanced skincare technology designed to target wrinkles, firm the skin, and boost elasticity. It combines 0.1% nano-sized retinol with liposomes, allowing gentle yet effective care for pores, fine lines, and uneven texture. The formula also includes 3% Matrixyl 3000 low molecular peptides and 1% panthenol or vitamin B5, which helps stimulate collagen, boost moisture, and soothe the skin to prevent irritation, often associated with retinol. What makes it truly unique is Celimac's proprietary A-short microparticles, which are 16 times smaller than pores, enhancing the absorption of active ingredients so they can work deeply and effectively. The slight tingling you feel is a sign it's doing its job. With regular use, this booster helps firm and smooth skin, fade dark spots, and even out skin tone, leaving a plumper, brighter, and more resilient complexion. It's the perfect combination of retinol, peptides, and spicules in one concentrated powerhouse formula, making it a standout anti aging treatment in any routine. The Celimex Dual Barrier Skin Wearable Cream is one of my go to moisturizers, especially on days when my skin feels dry or sensitive. It's formulated with 5 different types of ceramides and aquatide, which deeply strengthen and replenish the skin barrier, while panthenol, allantoin, and sodium hyaluronate keep my skin calm, hydrated, and soothed. I love its lightweight, non greasy texture. It feels almost like a primer, leaving my skin soft, plump, and radiant without clogging pores. So, in my experience, layering it over the Celimex Dual Barrier Milky Toner really boosts hydration and helps the benefits sinks in deeper, giving me a fuller, more resilient complexion that lasts all day. The fragrance free vegan formula makes it perfect for sensitive skin, and every time I use it, my skin feels healthier, smoother, and naturally glowing. It's become a staple in my routine, and I will definitely repurchase it. Last but not the least, the Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Moisture Airy Fit Daily Sunscreen is my favorite go-to sunscreen for daily use. With SPF 50 plus and PA 4 pluses, it offers strong broad spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays, keeping my skin safe from sun damage while also delivering hydration. The formula is enriched with black rice extract, ceramides NP, heartleaf extract, adenosine, and niacinamide, which not only nourish and strengthen the skin barrier but also brighten and smooth my complexion. I love its lightweight, airy texture that absorbs quickly without leaving a white cast or sticky residue, making it perfect for wear under makeup or alone. On top of that, the vegan, cruelty free formula feels gentle on my sensitive skin, and the velvet matte finish keeps my face looking fresh all day. Personally, I have noticed my skin stays hydrated, soothed, and radiant even during long hours in the sun. That's why this sunscreen has become a permanent part of my routine and one I will always repurchase. And that's a wrap on all the Korean skincare products I will happily repurchase, from essences and serums to moisturizers and sunscreen. Each of these has earned a permanent spot in my routine because they actually deliver results while keeping my skin happy and healthy. If you have tried any of these products or are planning to, let me know in the comments which ones you love or are excited to try. Don't forget, if you want to grab any of these for yourself, you can use my YesStyle code SHALU1005 for a discount at checkout. It's a little treat for your skin and your wallet. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming skincare reviews and routines. I will see you in the next one and happy skincare.